Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, we learned how to create database tables, insert records, and use basic select queries, right? So in this video, we will learn some very useful SQL keywords. Like we'll be learning distinct, we'll be learning like, between, in, not, and as. So these are very, which is used very often while retrieving the data from a table. So let's get started. Like I explained in the last class also. We'll have to select our database. So I'll mention here use school semicolon enter. Now let's see the student table. So I have added some students in my records. So I'll just write here select start from students semicolon. So I've added three records more. Now I want to add one more record. So I'll mention here insert into student values bracket open. I'll mention the ID as 6, comma, 6, comma. Name has to be in a quotation mark. So I'll write here Tom. I'll mention the age 22, comma. I'm mentioning the joining date 2026. So there should be quotation mark with the date as well. So I'll mention 2024 06 09. Close the quotation mark and close the bracket and put the semicolon. Oh. See, if I have created my table with the name called student, then it has to be student in the inserting also. If my table name is students, if it is plural, then it has to be plurals. So I'll mention here S. So I can use the up arrow key for retrieving the same query. Okay. So I'll display it again. So I have 6 records. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the first query, that is the string. So which is used to remove the duplicate values from the output. So I'll write the query select instead of star. I'll mention your distinct age from which table? Students table. Okay, I'll enter. Now you all can see I have how many students I have? I have 6 students. In 6 students, it is only showing me only 5 students. The reason is basically what? I have 2 students whose age is same, that is 22. So you can see Sam and Tom's age is 22. Now, what does the distinct query does? It remove the duplicate values. So whatever the duplicate value which is being present in the age column, it's going to remove. So that's what it did. So if I have 22 age twice for 2 students, I'll take only one. I'll remove the other one. So this thing shows only unique values. Next, talking about the like, which is used to search for patterns in text values. For example, I'll write here select star. For like, we require star. Select star from students where name like quotation mark are person quotation mark close and semicolon enter. Now, what does it do? Here, R person. What does it mean? Which means starting with the letter R. So, in my table, if you see in the table, I have Ria and Rahul, which name starts with R letter. So, the query displays what? The query displays the students whose names start with R, that is Ria and Rahul. So, the person symbol over there, which represents any number of characters. Okay. So, let's see the other examples. I'll mention your select star. I mentioned there R, right? I'll mention here A and I'll enter. So what does it do here? Now here the query displays the name ending with the letter A. Okay, so that is what like queries. Next query we are going to learn is about between, which is used to find values within a range. So I'll mention select star from students where where age between 18 and 21 semicolon enter. Now, what does this query does? Will display me the students whose age is between 18 and 21. So between gives me the range searching easier. Like I can find it out, or for example, if I have thousands of queries, so in that I'll have to find like which particular age is between 18 to 21. It would be very difficult to search manually. So I can use this query, which will help me to search easier. So that's what between is. Next, we are going to use with the in query, which means when you want to match a multiple values. For example, if I mention here select star from students where instead of between, I'll mention here in bracket 18. I'll change the age. I'll write here around 20 and I'll close the bracket with a semicolon enter. Now here, what does it do? It displays the students whose age is either 18 or 20. Okay. Like instead of writing multiple times or instead of writing or condition, we can use the in. So in and or is basically same thing. Next, we are going to use with the not query. So not is basically used to exclude the matching records. So I'll write here select start from students where not age is equal to 18. Now here, not means it will exclude the matching records. So you can see I have the records. This is my entire table which has 6 records, right? Which has age of 18, 20, 19, 21, 22. Okay. Here I mentioned is select star from students where not age is equal to 18. I don't want the matching record. Excluded that. If the students whose age is 18, apart from that, I want to display the entire age. So not gives the opposite result of a condition. Next, we are going to use with the as, which is used to give a temporary name to a call. Okay, so I can write the temporary name, call, and areas. So I'll write here select. I'll mention here select name as student underscore name from students. So what does it do? My column name is what? It was name. Now I change it to student underscore name. So name was my original column name. Student name is the temporary name which is shown in the output. So this will help the output easier to understand. So as is basically I'm giving a temporary name. That's what it is. So practice these queries on your own and try changing the values to understand them more better. So you will able to understand like what I'm teaching here. So in the next video, we'll explore more interesting select queries itself and concept step by step. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.